Fishtank high-end table.
Yeah.
For how much?
1 gold.
Only 1 gold for such a table.
You think it should go up for auction?
I think it should, of course.
This is a mighty fine table, Letty.
Thank you.
Excellent craftsmanship.
Thanks.
But be careful with the table.
Yes, for real.
Yeah, you already owe me rent, so you don't need to be messed up, nothing else.
I was merely appraising it. It's very sturdy.
Page with everything we had with it.
Oh, here. I also have this saw. Look, I think we can hire this guy.
Is the camera working or is the website down? Perhaps you could speak on your little...
Also, Anonymous is coming.
pigeon. Oh. What a table.
Yeah? So you got it too?
Is the website down, Richie? It's good. It's good.
Below vents.
Okay.
You read that yet?
Yeah,
You reading it now?
that's ominous.
Where should I
Strike
put
fear into
this?
your heart.
This
Probably
table
the camp.
will
I'm,
hold
Oh my
any
god.
weapon or armor one should put on it. I do believe this
Oh,
table
God.
is the
Oh,
finest
gosh.
I have seen in my
God.
days.
Oh, no,
My
the
God.
table.
I'm so sorry. I
Well,
have destroyed the table. Please, we must put it back together. Blacksmith, Letty, help me put this table back together.
we have some
I'm so
duct tape.
ashamed. I cannot believe what I've
Don't
done
have
here.
enough duct tape.
Oh no,
We have duct tape at the camp.
no, no, no.
Bloody, I have the duct tape
My
on me.
God.
That's not enough.
Oh, we have duct tape here.
Quickly,
There's not enough.
Get the
Bloody.
Jimmy,
tape the
Jimmy,
table back
get the
together.
tape.
quickly.
Get the tape.
Conceal my shame. I can't believe I was the one foolish enough to have destroyed this table.
My.
Oh,
Okay, let it
oh,
Ah,
oh.
it's over there. Thanks.
I will
We
take
have
this
duct
blasted
tape.
weight atop my
Blacksmith,
seat and
here.
vanish into the woods with my embarrassment. Oh,
Wow, hey. What? Oh!
A fine steed.
regret so greatly that I am the one who broke the table. I must vanish with my embarrassment.
I think you owe the trader money now, because it was his.
Perhaps you should stand back a bit.
Take it by quick,